Happy St. Patrick's Day, y'all! Today we're going to learn how to make a shamrock margarita. First, you're going to want to gather up all of your ingredients. You're going to need some tequila, limes, gold sugar, and of course, honey truck honey. Start off by making a simple syrup. It's equal parts water and honey. Heat the mixture enough to dissolve the honey, and then you can set it aside. Next, you'll grab your shaker and add 4 ounces of tequila. You'll add 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then pour about 1.5 ounces of your simple syrup into your shaker. Add some ice to your shaker and don't get it all over the place like I did. Give it a good shake and then let it sit aside to chill for a bit while you get your glass ready. Line the rim with fresh lime and then dip it in your gold sugar, giving it that pot of gold look you're going for. Add some fresh ice to your glass and then add your margarita. If you want, you can add some food coloring to give it a little extra color. That's it, you're all set and ready to enjoy your margarita this St. Patrick's Day. For the full recipe, head on over to honeytruck.com and don't forget to grab yourself a jar of honey.